Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video you're just seeing my lips because we're doing an ombre lip tutorial. First of all, I'm going to apply some makeup to my face. If you're not wearing foundation, you can just skip this step. I'm priming my skin with a hydrating primer. I'm only applying it to the areas which will be visible in the lip art photo. Now I'm applying the foundation itself to the same areas where I applied the primer. If you're blending your foundation with your fingers like I do, make sure that your hands are really clean. I wash them with soap every time before I do this procedure. Next, I'm priming my lips with a lip primer, slightly overlining them. Here are the products I will be using for the ombre. First of all, I'm using the red lipstick, which will be on the outer part of the lips. If you want your lips to look fuller, overline them slightly. If you want them to be the way they are, then stay inside your natural contour. In case you accidentally stepped out of the contour, use a paper tissue to wipe it, and we will clean the lines a bit later. After you have done the outline, also fill in the corners of the lips with red. Then wipe off the excess product off your liquid lipstick sponge and use it to blend the border. You can also use a clean small eyeshadow brush to do that, or your little finger. Every now and then wipe your finger or the brush or the sponge off a paper tissue. When you're happy with the blending, take the pink lipstick to fill in the inner part. Don't take too much product on the sponge. Take the pink up to where the red blending starts, so there should be a small gap left between the pink and the red, and go back to the blending again. To clean up the lines, use a small angled brush. I'm using one from a nail art kit. And your foundation, or in case you're not wearing foundation, just dip the brush into makeup remover. And just carefully outline your lips. And now blend out this foundation line. If you are going for a matte ombre lip, you can stop here and enjoy your work. I wanted to do a glossy ombre lip, so I will also add a vivid pink gloss on top. Spread the lip gloss all over your lipstick, but try not to apply a big amount in the corners and on the outer line if you do not want your lipstick to start bleeding. There you go, enjoy a perfect ombre lip! If you guys found this tutorial useful or just liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And of course, I will be happy to see you in my next video and on my Instagram page. See you soon, loves! Bye bye!